HAWKS. They're really excited to perform. But before we do that, Miss Ross has come, and she's going to talk to you about your summer break. Your summer break is actually coming pretty quick. We have less days to summer break than we do from the beginning of school. Isn't that cool? Let's clap about that. Yeah. And so Miss Ross has some really awesome things that she's going to talk to you about, some really great things that she's going to tell you about that you can do this summer. Now here's the deal. Miss Ross is from Abraham Lincoln Elementary School. And let's give her a hand for that, right? But we need to show her, listen, we need to show her what she was missing out not being at Hodgeville Elementary School, right? All right? So here's what we need to do. We need to make sure that she has our eyes, not our voices, and that she has our ears, and that our bodies are still. Okay, let's listen to Miss Ross.
Good morning, Hodgeville. I know every summer one of your favorite phrases is, "I'm bored." And while your teachers love being bored during the summer, you don't. So I want to tell you about something that you can do this summer called Camp Invention. Now, some boys and girls from Hodgeville have already been. I've seen Tanner and Gilbert, and Shelby and Trey and a few others this morning that have been to Camp Invention. But I wanted to come and show it to you and tell you a little bit about it so you could make a decision if you want to go. Okay? It's in July the 9th through the 13th. Your teachers will have a flyer or paper to give you today that you can take home. It's from 9 in the morning, so you still get to sleep a little late until 3:30 in the afternoon, which still gives you time to go to the pool or whatever afterwards, okay? And it's a camp that like you've never been to before. It's all hands-on. Now, we've been doing this camp here in LaRue County. It just happens to be at Abraham Lincoln because we needed a site. We've been doing this camp for 4 years. This will be our 5th year. And the camp that we're doing this year is called Envision. And if you're finishing kindergarten and going into 6th grade, which is probably just about everybody in here, you're eligible to go to Camp Invention. We don't sit at our desk and fill out papers and do worksheets. We spend the entire day building and problem solving. If you like science and math and working on things by yourselves, but sometimes working as a team on things, you'll really like camp. Now, let me tell you a little bit about what we're going to work on this year. We're going to do some exploring with magnets. Matter of fact, we're going to build a magnet tower. We're going to problem solve and figure out how to create a time machine. And then we're also going to design and build a balloon bursting machine. So it's really cool. So I've got a little video clip.
You guys get ready to do 5, 4, let's go back to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it away. 0, what's the happening in that? How many of you saw something 3D like a work on? Kids, how many of you did a lot of stuff? They see things that they want to work on too, because not every single one of them can do all these things. A lot of them go home and after school maybe they practice on this stuff at home to get to the new days in their free. Or maybe they come home and do it because they enjoy this exercise. It's also good for your brain to solve problems. We're going to show you real quick how to do some of these things. We're going to do a little bit more performance and then show you a little bit more. So we're going to talk, perform, talk again. Let's see. Come here. Poor Adam, last 3 rounds, she was sick, had an orthodontist appointment, and they just had to go and just figure out what to do about everything in practice. So she's going to learn stuff. We'll let her show you. When you're not supposed to hang down, you keep your head up, you stay tall, you look forward. This is a slow jump. When you conquer things, this is the best way to jump. Go singles. Nurse, work on singles. That's the way you jump. Now stop that bell. She jumps rope the way we're made. We all learn this, and we're going to have a left hand and a right hand when we jump. That's what it does. Well, you can figure out new tricks as long as you have a hand here and a hand here when you're jumping. Okay? You're trying to jump the rope. So she can do a crisscross by creating her hands cross front. There you go. But she puts one hand here and one hand there. You don't crisscross up here. You don't crisscross up there. You crisscross back to the body by your side. You usually jump rope. So watch me do a crisscross. So make a plan. It's going to cross on 3. 1, 2, cross. Watch it. 1, 2, cross. 2, 1, cross. And if you can keep it going, but you always keep your hand at a side. You might fall on that. Okay. She can probably stop. She can put, give me some rope. She can put one leg, one arm under her leg, do that. Take it in like right over. And she's got one hand over here where her side is, and the other hand there. She can put a rope in each hand. I don't know if she can do it this way or not. But she can try to turn it, so you might want to do that over. Okay? You got one hand on one side, one hand on the other side. With that now. And she can make a plan to get in that. Stop her. Okay. She can go 1, 2, this is in her leg. Watch this. Okay. 1, 2, that's that. Allison, that's your partner. That's your Hurry. Because that's the thing that outside of recess, you guys do some really good stuff. Because you see these guys sometimes, or maybe they're in your class, or you've seen, or been with somebody that can do things. Now, when we use partners, if I'm judging on myself, my hand here, so if we're using partners, if he's my partner, he doesn't need to go way over there. Is my arm that long? No, because he's smart. He's on their hand. So we got to stay close together. If Allison's coming in the middle, they need to be close together. They don't need to be far apart. The biggest mistake we got to talk about. And then she can step over the road, and they can count together. Cooperation before we go to school. Ready? Go. And jump, and jump, and jump, and jump. Maybe maybe I'll cross our arm over, got it. We come in, we can get close out. Get your hand on the outside. Then they can stop. And Allison, like, both heels. Allison can get in front of her, but then they can say what? Our parts are close together. So, you guys know a lot more than some schools. Okay, what I lost sometimes, we got to get close. We got to believe in each other. We got to knock the other job. Here we go. Ready? Go. And jump, and jump, and jump. And Allison will get out. She's got to quit it. Right there. She didn't know where she was going to go. Or she start on the outside. And Kyle could jump the rope. And then Allison can get in with it. You go with Allison. He don't. They don't want to do this one. But I think they can figure it out. got figured out. You guys can figure out why we did body function. Fourth grade, steady come out. This group is a small group. They went on our last trip and they wanted to the best of any fourth grade group I've ever taken. As far as figuring out your space, where to go, all that stuff. And sometimes when our fifth grade, we might look back at spacing, but we never understand this. Okay, I think that's people here today and they have last time. Sometimes we don't have all of our other kids, but they do a wonderful job. But this is group, I just want to congratulate on them on their last performance. Can we back that one time? Salute. All right. After this steady beat, we'll do the fifth grade steady beat, and then we will be ready for rainbows. I'll tell you what, I was really impressed with Elizabeth and her skating. She tried as hard as she could to win those things. She had a lot of gumption about herself. She made great efforts. We'll let Ariel be our turner. Will Ray, where are you, Will? You want to try this, Will? Come here. I was thinking about kindergartners, and who might be a really good listener and might try as hard as they can. I think Will's one of those guys. All right, now we're gonna let Mr. Walker show you how to do it. You want to show Mr. Walker?
What?
Mr. Walker will show you how to do it.
Oh, great.
I got you, Will. Now, Mr. Walker is a music teacher, so he should be able to do this. He makes fun of my dancing all the time. You know, Mr. Walker, this guy, right there. But I want to teach him something a little bit about make this called middle. He's got to run to the middle. He's got to get to that white line on run and. Everybody say run and. He's got to do it. Wait. You got to say it with me. I'm going to say ready when my hand goes above his nose. I'm going to say set when my hand goes above his nose next time. And then the third time it goes above his nose, I'm going to say run. He's going to run and keep running on and. When he gets to the line, he's going to jump 3 times. He's going to run that over there. See if Mr. Walker can do that. We won't use the rubber, Mr. Walker. Who wants to push him? Here, I'll let you push him. So, Mr. Walker, walk down there. You got to watch him. Ready, set, run, and jump, 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 and then run out over there. Okay? Come here, Will. Now you got to look at the area where you're jumping. Ready, set, run, and jump, jump, jump. And then run out of it. That's going to work. Come here, Elizabeth. Ready, set, run, and jump, jump, jump. Perfect. You got to stay in front of Ariel. All right, watch. Yeah, we can start out with Mr. Walker. He's over there. All right, Mr. Walker's going to run that line. But he's going to jump 3 times. Don't keep looking at Ariel. If he makes it all the way to 8, he's going to turn around, look at you, and do whatever he says. If he makes it to 8, you guys can start really cheering for him. So that's all you can do. Ready, set, run, and jump. Come back, Mr. Walker. I want Mr. Walker to